And then just a quick post up. Levi. These are 501s, 505, sorry, with a knee rip, large knee rip. Look at the size of that. Horrible. Looks really untidy. The jeans are very clean cut. There's no other rips in them. So the ladies sent these to me for a repair on the knee. It needs. We're going to be removing all the loose threads, all the white threads, and then we'll be backing some new fabric on the inside of a very similar shade, and then we're going to be colour matching it and over sewing it all and darning it up and making this all lovely and discreet, so it won't have this horrible knee hole. Obviously it's going to get much worse. Sometimes when you're putting them on, you might put your toe through it or something, and then before you know it goes and then it rips all the way down, and then it looks really untidy, and then the jeans are pretty much ruined then. So it's good to nip this in the bud if you can. Get these repaired as early as possible, because otherwise it's going to get much worse. It's probably going to go across there, and then it'll find the weakest point coming down as well. So which is probably about that point there. You'll probably get like a split down here, and then before you know it, you'll catch your foot through it, and it'll get much worse. There you go, guys. So for lots of repairs like this, check out before and after pictures, which are on my website and on my Instagram account, and obviously on my Facebook as well. And I'll try and post up an after video of this as well, so you can see what it's like after it's been repaired. Yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. As always, I appreciate all the support on the channel, on the Denim Doctor page, and I hope this has been informative for you. Obviously, you know, there is other people out there who can get your repairs done as well, and obviously if you're at home, give them a try yourself and see what you can do at home with old jeans and stuff like that. You can obviously patch them up and do maybe a bit of hand sewing and stuff, but the type of repairs that we do here are nice and discreet repairs. That's the ones we tend to do that are durable and last quite a long time. So sometimes on some occasions we do back it and then leave the white threads as well. So there you go. Thank you.